Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost AirPods instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost AirPods, start by checking the last known location on your device. Open the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate your AirPods in the list of devices displayed. If your AirPods are in their case and nearby, you can play a sound to help locate them. Tap play sound and listen for the notification chime. If they are not in the case, the app will show the last known location. Walk to that location to search for them. If you still can't find them, check under furniture or in bags where you might have placed them. Additionally, consider looking in areas where you typically use them. If you have an Apple Watch, you can also use it to find your AirPods. Open the Find My app on your Apple Watch. Select your AirPods and use the sound feature if they are nearby. If none of these steps work, remember to stay calm and retrace your steps. Consider asking others around if they have seen your AirPods. Lastly, if you still can't locate them, you can set up a notification in case they are found in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.